Alright, so today I'm going to be installing a set of headers on a 1978 F-150 four-wheel drive. The engine is a 400 modified. So what I've done so far, kind of to get some pre-prep here and enough room, I have removed the starter. The only challenge I'm going to run into right now as I install these headers is going to be the transmission line. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to slide these headers in and up from the bottom and just kind of get them ready to go before I grab my gasket and my bolts. So now I've got this header slid up into here. Easiest way to do that is have a little help. Slid it up and in at an angle from the bottom. I'm gonna have plenty of room to put my starter and stuff back in, so that's good news. So grabbing my header bolts and my gasket here. Before I get too crazy with tightening any of that stuff down, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some zip ties on each one of these to kind of signify which hole they go into, so I can pull them all off and make working easy. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pop these and get them out of my way. Zip ties are cheap and they are super helpful. So I'm just going to zip tie them up onto these heater hoses. So now they're up and out of the way. I've got access to work on everything that I need. So kind of cheat here, slide one bolt kind of into place. Now, once I've started this, I don't tighten anything down until I've kind of got everything where it needs to go. But as long as I can kind of get things seated and started, that really helps speed this process up. Now I can start kind of firming everything up. These particular bolts are 3/8. You can use a wrench or whatever, but these little ratcheting wrenches make this job really easy. Now I don't snug it all the way up. I just get everything kind of tight to the header. After you drive the truck for a little while, you want to just retighten them, because as things kind of settle into place, you may or may not develop an exhaust leak, but just kind of save yourself any headaches by just you know, tightening things up. All right, now that I've got these bolts all snugged up, I'm going to go ahead and release these plug wires so I can get them all hooked back up. Put the one that I didn't mark in the back. Put you right here. Thank you. All right. Okay, now I can go through and okay, so this is all back where it needs to be. I'm gonna go ahead and stab the starter in underneath, get this thing wrapped up, and yeah, give her a go. If you enjoy these videos, we're going to be uploading a bunch more just like it. You know, I'm working on this 78 F-150 four-wheel drive. My buddy Colby is going to be doing a 64 C10 two-wheel drive. He's doing a frame-off restoration on it. You know, there's going to be plenty of videos all the way around. So if you enjoy it, please hit the subscribe button, and yeah, we'll hope to see you again soon. Thanks for tuning in.